why what the problem was. The fan stopped working because the plugger was unplugged.
Yep.
That's why it got unplugged and it wasn't working ever again. So it got so hot I gotta stay at my Mima's house.
Oh, gotta get that rubber piece out there.
Uh-oh, it sounds like the gearbox is broken. We can
That's
fix
okay,
it
it's just a gearbox. You know, this screw from my gearbox. It makes it work. It looks like that won't fit there. It looks like squeeze has needs a squeeze for this stuff.
But does it look like they're doing it right, Rhett?
I don't think so. Look, you forgot this part.
Now see, you really have to watch Jason now, because he's...
You know, you have to wash it.